you are going to love the 2016 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, power moonroof, brake assist, rear window wiper. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.